Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today, our channel is about cooking now.
Yay!
We change everything. So today we're going to make fried bananas
Yeah.
with cheese
On top.
inside and on top of the banana
Yeah.
for the finishing. Oh, anyway, and there's chocolate too.
Good.
What we need is our apron. Let's wear our apron.
Okay.
You go to the back. Just turn it down. Put it at the front. There. Done.
Done.
Masuk.
And the ingredients for banana is chocolate, cheese, and the butter for fried banana, and of course,
The banana.
yay! We need the banana.
And now let's start cooking. First, we need to open the banana. Anakan,
Yeah.
where is the pan?
Oh my god, I forgot.
Oh, here it is.
Here's the
We
pan.
use this kind of pan like for grilling here.
Yeah.
Now let's put here. Now let's open the banana.
Yeah. Okay. Wait.
Open. How do you open?
I got it.
Use hand. I just use
Ah.
hand.
My.
It's very easy using hand. Oops. Then knife.
Okay.
Disgusting.
It's not disgusting, okay? No! What's wrong?
Open.
Oops.
Now where should we put the peel?
That is how to
Maybe like
open
put
the
there.
banana.
This, what is this? I don't like this. I don't like this. Open from the bottom.
Yes, from December.
Again.
Not again.
It again.
No.
Yeah, how to cut the banana? Okay.
No, not again.
Yeah. Aha. Okay. No,
Okay, I got it.
easy.
Okay. That's how to
Done.
run.
Done.
No, wait. Sorry.
What is this yellow thing? No. Maybe just like this.
Oh, thank you.
Done. Okay, no more. Now and then, we slice the middle. We flatten the banana first. Not too flat.
Excuse me.
Is this enough? This is enough.
Yeah,
Yes,
that's
yes,
enough.
Okay, so this is enough.
I think that's enough, right?
Now, we need to slice
That's
a bit
enough.
in the middle of the banana.
That's good.
That. That. It just like this. Open again. Put on.
I'm just going to man.
How can you open this? It's just like hot dog.
Like a hot dog.
Like this or until. Oh yeah, there it is.
Ah!
Until open like that. We need to cut it.
What is that?
Okay. Okay. Now again.
Uh,
Mine needs again. Yeah. Okay.
Little knife!
Until like this. Until there's an opening.
Here we are.
Oh, yeah. We need another one.
Hard to open.
Flatten the other one. Not too flat.
I
And then slice the middle. So we can put the cheese or chocolate inside.
Well, I can have the topping
yeah,
you
yeah.
want. And my hand.
You can use any toppings that you like, okay?
Are you done yet?
Nope.
Good.
There. Done.
Is it hard?
It's not open.
Great job. I like that. Oh,
You upside down
oh. Did I?
like this.
Oh, that's me.
I don't
Da, da, da,
care
da.
if it's miring. Now let's fill in the banana. I'm gonna put my banana with cheese because you know I love cheese and she
I put chocolate.
because she really likes chocolate more.
Yeah, that's
Let's put in.
Oh my.
Oh, and this is melting cheese. Not mozzarella. Melting cheese.
Sorry to see that.
Don't eat the chocolate now. Hello.
Sorry, delicious.
I think that's enough for this one. Next.
know? Oh, that.
Eat cheese. Eat the cheese. There.
More.
More. We need more cheese.
Chocolate.
There. We need to zip it with the cheese. Zip. There.
Thank you. What?
It's dirty. There. That. We need more.
Really?
There.
I always see more.
Finish. Now
Finish.
we need to fry the pan or
Yes.
turn on the pan.
Yeah, turn on the pan.
And now we need to heat in the pan.
Yeah, good. Yeah.
Whoa.
Well, okay.
We use a medium. What is this? Medium heat. Wait until it's hot. Now the pan is hot. Now we need to put the butter. This is my side, and this is my sister's side. Now let's slice the butter. Not this. You put in yours. Yuck. No.
Hey,
More.
that's okay.
There. And
now
this
it's yours.
is mine.
The big,
Wait, so much.
the big chunk.
Yours again.
No, not me again.
There.
Okay. Now we're gonna wait until the butter is melt. Right?
Yeah. Wait until the butter melts.
Right.
Now let's just spin around the butter.
Yeah, good idea. Good idea. Are you okay? This is too much
I think this is it's good. Enough butter.
You like butter?
Butter.
Yeah, fine.
Not like that, like this.
Okay, fine. I'm gonna do it myself. Okay, that was heat up.
Okay. Now let's put in the banana.
Yeah.
Two.
Yeah, two. Two others.
Should we lower the heat up?
Yeah, I should.
This is already minimum.
Well, yeah, already good.
Okay, then this is minimum.
Medium.
Now this is minimum. Now we have to wait for a couple of minutes.
Yeah.
Maybe now.
No, not now. No.
Now it's time to flip the banana.
Oh yeah. Yeah. I hold the handle. Woohoo! Nice color.
Ooh,
Perfect. Perfect.
You can see here.
It's very delicious. Yeah.
Yummy. Now you have to wait another minute.
Yeah, before
Or two.
until
5 minutes, I think.
10 minutes.
Nah. 5 minutes.
10.
Starting now.
What are you doing? Are you okay?
The whole world. Fortnite dance.
Fortnite.
I can't do that.
Dance.
Now, let's check the banana if it's done or not.
It's done.
It's
done. What?
Oh my god!
Look.
You have to see my cheese. It's
Okay. What is that called?
oh flip, flip.
Oh.
Oh, there's no chocolate. I think it's ready. Turn off the
Turn off the fire.
fire. Now let's plate.
No, I cannot. Can you?
It's
What's good? What? What?
Now I think it doesn't want to.
There you go. Thank you.
Okay.
Careful.
It's, yeah. Okay.
What?
One more.
Help me.
No. One more.
Got it. There we go.
Finish.
Just finished.
Excuse me. You need to be excused. Put the banana away.
Yeah, you should. Hey.
Now, you gotta put cheese. You didn't talk?
Nope. I don't talk.
Okay.
Not too much. Okay, thank you. That's too much chocolate.
I already put mine. It's time to taste.
Yes, right. Is it good or not?
Please, Mom. Hey, the cheese. There's the cheese.
Where do you go? Oh, there you are.
Cheese. Yummy cheese.
Okay. Oh, good. Good.
It's very yummy.
And too much chocolate. I love it.
The cheese is yummy. We took banana.
No, good.
Hey guys, if you really want to make this, it's very easy and it's very tasty.
Yeah.
Yummy.
Yep.
Okay, thanks for watching our video and see you on the next channel. Bye!